Hey Torah, so these are the test corrections for chapter 3.1 to 3.5. Okay. So, for the first question, we're supposed to find all the x values that correspond to the point of inflection, and then we need to state where this function is concave up and concave down. So our function right here is 2x times the quantity of x minus 4 to the second power. So the first thing we want to do is take the first derivative. So what we're going to use is product rule. So we're going to get 2x times, then for this portion we're going to need to use chain rule. So 2x times 2, we leave what's in the parentheses the same, subtract the power, so that's going to be 1, and then times 1, so we don't even need to put that, plus the second part, which is this quantity, so x minus 4 second times the derivative of the first part, so it's just going to be times 2. So to simplify this a little more, we're going to multiply 2x times 2, and we're going to get 4x times x minus 4 plus the quantity of x minus 4 squared times 2. So what we can do here is we can take out the common factors, which is a 2 and a x minus 4. So we're going to take out a 2, x minus 4 here, and what we're going to have left is 2x plus x minus 4. So this is what we have left. So then we're going to distribute this and get 2x minus 8. And then we can simplify what's in the brackets and get 3x minus, actually 3x squared minus 8x. Whew. Actually, no, that's wrong. We're going to get, when we simplify what's in the bracket, we're going to get 3x minus 4. So we need to multiply this quantity by this quantity. And when we do that, we're going to get 6x squared minus 8x minus 24x plus 32. So we can simplify that even more and get 6x squared minus 32x plus 32. Okay, so from there we're going to take second derivative. And so this is going to be easy, and we're just going to do, it's just going to be 12x minus 32. So once we get second derivative, we're going to set it equal to 0 and solve for x. So when we do that, we're going to get x equals 8 over 3. Now to find the point of inflection, or where it's concave up and down, we're going to need to make a table. So we're going to go negative infinity to 8 over 3 and 8 over 3 to infinity. So for this part, we can plug in, a negative 3, and for this part, we'll plug in a 3. So we're going to plug in negative 3 to second derivative. When we're going to do that, we're going to find out that this value is less than 0. We're going to do the same thing for here, and when we plug in 3 to second derivative, we're going to find out that this value is greater than 0. So when a value is less than 0, it's going to be concave down, and when a value is greater than 0, it's going to be concave up. And that is where this function is concave up and concave down.